Dear students, now I am going to execute traffic light control program in 8085 microprocessor kit. Okay, so in previous exercises we have used the kit 8085 kit, which is having keyboard in the board itself. Okay, so here this type of 8085 LCD kit is having external keyboard. Okay, it does not have inbuilt keyboard, so we are connecting external keyboard through this USB cable. Okay, so by connecting this external USB cable, we can use external keyboard for typing the opcode. Okay, so this is 8085 LCD type kit. Okay, so here LCD type kit. In previous case we have seen LED kit. Okay, so we can use any kit for 8085. Okay, while using 8085 LCD kit, we have to use external keyboard. Okay, so now I am going to enter program for traffic light. Its program starts at address 4100. Okay, so here using this kit, the procedure is you have to press program entry to enter program. Here starting address is 4100, so we can use this address to write a program. Okay, so then program entry, for program entry the procedure is SU space starting address and then press enter. Okay, so initially reset and then SU space starting address and then enter. Okay, so reset is available in the board itself. This is reset button. Okay, so after that this thing will be displayed in kit. Okay, so after pressing reset button, this characters will be displayed in the LCD display. So after that you have to press SU space starting address 4100. Okay, so that will be displayed here. Whatever we are typing, that will be displayed in the LCD display. Okay, SU 4000, SU space 4100, then press enter. Okay, so here we are going to enter program. Okay, here we are going to enter program. In 4100 we have to enter 3E, which is an opcode for MVI A,80 instruction. So this instruction occupies two address spaces. First address space opcode 3E, and in next address space 80, which is control word. Okay, so 3E, which is already entered. If we want to enter means we can again enter. Okay, 3E, then press enter. Then in next address which I have already entered program. Okay, so if we want we can again enter. In next address we have to enter 80 and then press enter. After entering each opcode you have to press enter. Okay, so I have already entered the program in the kit. So in next address, the opcode of out instruction, out control word register, out instruction opcode is D3 and control word register address is here 0F. Okay, so this will be mentioned in the kit itself. Okay, see here, this is mentioned in the kit itself, in traffic light control display itself. This is control word register address is 0F. Okay, and port A address is 0C and port B address is 0D. Okay, so then you have to enter program in sequence. Okay, so in next address D3 and then in next address 0F, which is control word register address, and then 0E, which is an opcode for MVIC instruction. Okay, so 0E is entered. After that 08, which is count 8 sequences. We are going to give 8 sequences, so that count 08 will be entered in next address. That is already entered. In next address 4106 we have to enter opcode of LXI H, instruction, that is 21. In next two addresses it's lower order address and higher order address. So 210045. Okay, so then in next address move A,M, which opcode is 7E, so which is already entered. So next one is out 80, its opcode is D3, and this is port A address. Port A address given in traffic light control kit is 0C. Okay, so this should not be given. This is 0C. Okay, so this is 0C. So D3 0C. After 7E, D3 and 0C. Okay, so in next address 410C we have to enter opcode for INXH, that is 23. Okay, so then in next address you have to give opcode of move A,M instruction, that is 7E. Then in next address out 80, out port B address, this is 0D. Okay, which is available in the traffic light control kit. So D3 and 0D. Then call delay. After getting one sequence, we have to call subroutine program, delay program. Okay, so opcode for this call instruction is cd, and the delay will be called at address 411b. This address should be given there. Okay, so 1b 41 should be given there. So cd, after that 1b 41 should be entered. After that, in 4113 you have to enter opcode of INXH instruction, which is 23, which is already entered. Okay, so in the next address you have to enter opcode of decremency instruction, which is 0d, which is already entered. And then in next address in 4115 you have to enter opcode of JNZ instruction, that is C2. This instruction occupies 3 address spaces. The label of next address is next is 4109, so this would be entered here, 0941. So C2 0941. After that, jump instruction opcode is C3, and loop address is 4104. So C3 0441. Okay, so in 411b we are going to write a delay subroutine program. Okay, for that MVI opcode is 06, and count, instead of count they have given D5, so 06 D5. Then opcode for LXI D comma instruction is 11, and the count we are going to give is 16 bit data. Here we are going to give that, here considered as 0 triple A. Okay, so here they have considered 0 triple A. Okay, so after 11 double A 0A, and then in next address DCXD opcode is 1B, that is already entered. And then in next address move A comma D opcode is 7A. Okay, move A comma D opcode is 7A, that is already entered. And then opcode for ORAE instruction is B3. Okay, in 4122 B3. Okay, so in next address JNZ C2 4123 C2. So loop 1 address is here 4120. So 2041 is entered here. So C2 2041. And then in next address 4126, the opcode for decrement B instruction is 05, that is already entered. Then in next address 4127, C2 is an opcode for JNZ instruction. Loop 2 addresses 411D. So 1D41 is entered here, C2 1D41. After that, return, opcode for return instruction is C9. So after that press enter. Okay, so return instruction will calls again, program will goes to here. Okay, after the main here. Okay, after delay program, delay subroutine execution, after executing this return instruction, the program will starts from here. Okay, so after executing return instruction, the program will starts from next address of call delay instruction. Okay, so from here the program will resumed. Okay, so that is interrupt service routine. Okay, that is the function of interrupt service routine. So now we are going to see the result in kit. Okay, so we have to connect this cable. Okay, so this cable between this kit and this kit, this is a traffic light control kit. Here we have drawn that signals. Okay, this is north, south, east, west, north, south, east, west. Okay, so in each direction there are 3 LEDs, green, yellow, red, green, yellow, red. Similarly these 2 directions, totally there are 12 LEDs. Okay, so one part of LED, 6 LEDs are connected to port A, and one part of 6 LEDs are connected to port B based on the program written. Now we have to enter input also. Okay, so input at location we have to enter 4500. At location 4500 we have to give input data. Okay, so input data we are going to give is port A data and port B data. First we have to give port A data and then port B data. Okay, so we are going to give input at location. So now I am resetting. So to go to address SU space starting address and then press enter. Okay, so this is starting address. We have to go to 4500 where we are going to give input SU space 4500 and then press enter. Okay, So that address will be displayed. In 4500 we are going to give 0C. Okay, in 4501 09. Similarly in 4502 0A, 4503 11. In 4504 09, 4505 21. Similarly we have to enter these sequences, this 16 sequences. Okay, see here I have already entered that sequences 0C, 09, 0A, 11, 09, 21, 11, 11, 21, 09, 11, 0A,